day everyone. Before I discuss to you what is R and the importance of it, let me introduce myself first. I am Hazeline Joyce Pagirigan and the other members are Oliver Matamis and Rhea May Bayo. What is R? R is an open source programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It is one of the primary language used by the data scientists and statisticians. It is supported by the R Foundation for Statistical Computing and a large community of open source developers. Importance of R programming language. R is a well-developed, simple, and effective programming language, which includes conditional loops, user-defined recursive functions, and input and output facilities. R provides graphical facilities for data analysis and display. R is a very flexible language. It does not necessitate that everything should be done in R itself. It allows the use of other tools like C and C++ if required.
So for number three, what are the hardware or software specification of the computer where we download and install R? Typical system requirements for a software program include operating system, minimum CPU or processor speed, minimum GPU or video memory, minimum system memory or RAM, minimum free storage space. On the other hand, its hardware specifications are a summary of a computer internal components, include its processor, memory or RAM, Windows versions of course, and other system information. For number 4 is demonstration showing on how we download and install R. To install R on Windows, go to the Comprehensive R Archive Network or CRN website. So that is for number 1. Number 2 is click on Download R for Windows, of course. And number 3 is click on Install R for the first time. Link to download the R executable file. Number 4, run the R executable file to start installation and allow the app to make changes to your device. Number 5 is select installation language, either it's your English language or whatever language you want to use. Number 6 is follow the installation instruction. Number 7, click on finish to exit the installation setup. Right after this 7th step, will definitely successful are installed and open the R graphics user interface to start writing R codes.
Interfaces of R. R script. As the name suggests, here you can get space to write codes. Run those codes, simply select the lines of code and press Ctrl plus Enter. Alternatively, you can click the little run button location at the top right corner of write script. R console. This area shows the output of the code you run. Also, you can directly write codes in console. Code entered directly in R cannot be traced later. This is where R script comes to use. R environment. This space displays the set of external elements added. This includes dataset, variables, vectors, functions, etc. To check if data has been loaded properly in R, always look at this area. Graphical output. This space displays the graphs created during exploratory data analysis, not just graphs. You would select packages, seek help with embedded RS official documentation. We don't have yet a capstone project, but one of the data analytics tools that we already use is Microsoft Excel. Excel is a basic, popular, and widely used analytical tool in almost all industries. Whether you are an expert in SAS, R, or W, you will still need to use Excel. Excel becomes important when there is requirements for analytics on the client's internal data. It analyzes the complex tasks that summarizes the data with a preview and pivot tables that helps in filtering the data as per client requirements.